Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix QuickBooks not opening step by step. Yeah, if QuickBooks won't launch or just stays stuck on the loading screen, it can be really frustrating, especially when you need to access your financial data, but most of the time it's actually a simple fix once you go through a few checks. So first, restart your computer. It sounds basic, but restarting can clear temporary glitches that stop QuickBooks from opening properly. Next, try opening QuickBooks as an administrator. Yeah, click the QuickBooks icon and select Run as Administrator, because permission issues can sometimes prevent the program from launching. After that, check for any background processes. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager, then look for QuickBooks processes and end them before trying to open the app again. Also, make sure your QuickBooks software is fully updated. Updates fix bugs and improve performance, which can resolve startup issues. And if it still doesn't open, try using the QuickBooks Tool Hub. This tool can automatically detect and fix common problems related to startup and installation. Finally, if nothing works, consider reinstalling QuickBooks. Most of the time, these steps will get the software opening normally again without any hassle. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.